Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Gonor is a very small rural community in the province of Manitoba, located within the rural municipality of St. Clements, just north of Winnipeg. It sits along the Red River corridor in a quiet stretch of farmland and river valley. It is not a town with formal boundaries or a large population center, and its population is very small, made up of scattered homes, farms, and long-time rural residents, rather than a dense settlement. The history of this area begins long before modern settlement, with indigenous peoples including Cree, Anishinaabe, and Métis communities who lived and traveled along the Red River for generations. The river served as a major transportation route, a source of food, and a connection between communities across what is now southern Manitoba. This river corridor was one of the most important travel and trade routes in the region, shaping how people moved and lived long before roads or railways existed. European settlement in the Red River Valley increased after Manitoba joined Confederation in 1870. Settlers were drawn to the fertile soil and flat farmland, which made agriculture the dominant activity in the region. Small rural communities developed along the river, often centered around farming families and local road connections. Gonor emerged as part of this broader pattern of rural settlement in the St. Clements area, though it never developed into a large town or commercial center. Transportation played an important role in the development of the region. The Red River was historically a key route, and later road networks connected small communities like Gonor to larger centers such as Winnipeg. Nearby infrastructure projects along the river, including dams and control systems closer to Lockport, influenced water levels and land use in the broader area, helping shape how the river valley was managed for farming and settlement. In modern times, Gonor remains a quiet rural area rather than a developed town. Many residents live on agricultural land or in homes spaced along rural roads, and daily life is closely connected to nearby communities for schools, services, and commerce. Its proximity to Winnipeg means it functions partly as a rural residential area for people who work in or around the city while preferring a quieter environment. The surrounding landscape is typical of the Red River Valley, with flat farmland, open skies, and stretches of riverbank. Agriculture continues to be the main land use, with crops such as canola, wheat, and barley grown throughout the region. The river itself remains a defining natural feature, shaping both the geography and the seasonal rhythms of the area, including the risk of spring flooding that has historically influenced settlement patterns. Today, Gonor reflects a very simple and rural part of Manitoba's landscape. It is not a destination with major attractions or a defined town center, but rather a quiet community shaped by farmland, river geography, and proximity to a growing urban area. For travelers, it offers a glimpse into the everyday rural fabric of southern Manitoba. Thanks for watching!